Why is it so washed out? Yes, 2019 Snap family, my besties and all that, we is coming for y'all next. We not playing, y'all. So like, yes bitch, get into it.
I met this pretty yellow bitch, her name was Jasmine. She said I'm 10 times richer than the last man.
Hey girls and guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing the watercolor method that's been going viral all over YouTube and Instagram. So I did have a video on this method already. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Basically, I'm showing you how I got this really pretty red ombre coming from a 613 blonde, and I got this 613 lace frontal wig from my girl over at Hairflow Beauty. All her information is linked down below. And I'm just starting off with some Clairol hair dye and just gonna mix it with some 20 volume developer, and I'm gonna apply this all over the knots on my lace frontal wig. This is going to make it so it blends better with my brown skin, being that I am very melanated. And the next thing I'm going to do is take my Adore hair dye in the color Crimson and my Kiss hair dye in the color Truly Red. I'm mixing those together, and I'm going to add some hot water and really mix it up so that the color is really diluted. Then I want to go ahead and take my hair and dip it into the water. It's really self-explanatory. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and take some strands of the hair, and I'm going to sporadically place some dye onto it because I want it to look like it's fading down into the red. I'm also going to take some of that dye and apply it to the ends of the hair just so that it looks deeper red at the bottom, so it can have some dimension and some, you know, just look more custom. I'm going to go ahead and take those flexi rods off the hair, and I'm going to go ahead and finger comb that out with some mousse on my hands just to get the wet look going even more the way I want it. And yes guys, there you have it. That's how I got this beautiful wig look.
Okay girls and guys, so this is how my hair turned out, and I'm really happy about it. I love the wet look and everything like that. I like how it has like this wavy look, which is why I added the flexi rods at the end of the video, as you seen. I'm really sorry about the quality of that video, guys. I had my camera on the wrong setting and it was really washed out. So I'm going to try to salvage what I can from that video, and hopefully this video actually makes it out. And I know that I definitely will post a little short video on Instagram if I don't do anything else. This hair is from Hairflow Beauty, and all her information will be linked down in the description below. So y'all make sure y'all go check out her Instagram. Her website is still on the rise. So let me fix my jacket. Her website is still like on the rise of getting fixed and everything like that. So when she gets that website up, I will definitely be posting about it on my Instagram story as well as on here on YouTube. So make sure y'all check her out. I love this hair. It's amazing. Let me turn around and show you girls the back. And this is just how the back and everything looks, and I love it. And yes guys, so I want to talk a little bit about the hair. So I did go ahead and add my little cap method, the bald cap method. It's all over YouTube, so I even have a video on it. So if y'all want to see how I do how I apply my lace wigs, I have a video on that, and I'll link it below. But I just did my normal bald cap method, and I did go ahead and tint the knots on this 613 hair, because with us brown women, you want to tint the knots on the hair. I did learn that method from Larissa Andrea. I learned a lot of my dyeing methods and things like that from her, and there's nothing wrong with learning from one another and building on your craft if that's something that you want to do. Doing hair like this in my free time is always fun, but I do love doing it for others as well. So if you girls and guys want to maybe like get some custom color, or want me to do a custom wig, or even sometimes I might have a wig sale from some of my old wigs that still are great condition that I don't wear anymore, I will do that. So just let me know if y'all are interested in anything like that, and I definitely will get on that. Listen, if I look a little flashbacky, I was trying out this new powder that's from the drugstore, Airspun, and I'm revisiting it because I tried it before and I don't think I liked it, but I couldn't remember if I liked it or not. I like how I look, and I did a flash test and I didn't come back flashy. I did a real dramatic makeup look, guys. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, make sure y'all do hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and make sure that y'all tune in to all of my uploads that I will be posting in 2019. Your girl Jazz is getting consistent. I'm not playing, I'm getting it popping. And make sure y'all stay tuned for all of my new home renovations for my new townhome. If y'all haven't checked out that if y'all have not seen my townhome video, then make sure y'all go ahead and check out my empty house tour. I will have it linked right here, and make sure y'all check it out and tell me y'all feedback, like it, comment, all that good stuff. Y'all know all of your comments are always welcome. I love anything that people want to, any type of advice or anything, as long as it's not malicious or any type of disrespect, I welcome it. So just, you know, keep that in mind. So yes, guys, make sure y'all check me out on Instagram. All the links will be listed below at SheGotTheSnap_, and make sure that y'all do come back next time. So yes, this is the hair, and this is the end of this video. Yay, I'm so happy because I was up all night doing this. Yes, 2019 Snap family, my besties and all that, we is coming for y'all next. We not playing, y'all. So like, yes, bitch, get into it. And as y'all can tell, I'm not in my normal location. I'm at my people's house right now, but I done made myself comfortable because I didn't want to get all this red dye all over my new place anyway. I just painted and shit. But so yes, girls and guys, thank you so much for subscribing and watching this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. XOXO, deuces.